Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. So this varies on which iPhone you have. If you have the newest versions, you will need to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. But if you have older versions of iPhone, then you can just scroll from the bottom of the screen to the top. Now you will see Focus. You can tap on it and now you will see Do Not Disturb mode. You will need to click on it to enable it. You can also click on the three icons for how long you want to turn on Do Not Disturb mode. You can also customize schedules by opening settings and selecting focus. This is useful while sleeping, studying, working, or attending meetings. That's it. That's how you turn on Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. And if this video helped you, follow us for more tips and tutorials.